If you're serious about woodworking, a high-quality cabinet table saw is an absolute must-have. But with so many options on the market, how do you choose the best one? Should you go for power, precision, or durability? Don't worry, we've done the research for you. In this video, we're diving deep into the best cabinet table saws of 2025, reviewing their features, performance, and real-world applications. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or a passionate DIYer, you need a saw that delivers smooth cuts, powerful performance, and unmatched accuracy. A cabinet table saw is the heart of any serious woodworking shop, and making the right choice can transform your projects. The right saw doesn't just cut wood, it enhances your efficiency, accuracy, and overall craftsmanship. You might be wondering what makes a cabinet table saw different from a regular table saw. Unlike contractor or hybrid saws, cabinet saws are built for heavy-duty use, featuring powerful motors, cast-iron tables, and precision fences that ensure clean, straight, and precise cuts. But with so many brands competing in the market, which one should you trust? Stay with us until the end because we'll break down everything you need to know about these saws. Plus, check the description box and pinned comment for direct Amazon links to each product. Let's get started. SawStop Professional Cabinet Saw. When it comes to safety and precision, the SawStop Professional Cabinet Saw leads the industry. Featuring patented blade safety technology, this saw instantly stops when it detects skin contact, significantly reducing injury risk. It's powered by a 3-horsepower motor, ensuring smooth, effortless cutting through hardwoods. The T-Glide fence system offers unmatched precision and stability, while the dust collection system keeps your workspace clean. Whether you're working on fine furniture or large-scale projects, this saw delivers professional-grade accuracy and performance. One of the standout features is the SawStop safety system, which uses an electrical signal to detect human contact with the blade. If contact is detected, the system activates within 5 milliseconds, dropping the blade and preventing serious injuries. This is a game changer for anyone working in a fast-paced environment or teaching woodworking to beginners. Another advantage of the SawStop is its premium build quality. The cast-iron table provides an ultra-smooth surface, reducing friction and allowing wood to glide effortlessly through the blade. The precise fence system ensures straight cuts every time, making it an excellent choice for professionals who demand reliability. Powermatic Table Saw with AccuFence System. If you're looking for power and reliability, the Powermatic Table Saw with AccuFence System is a top contender. Designed with a 5-horsepower motor, this machine slices through the toughest materials with ease. The AccuFence system ensures consistent and precise cuts, while the cast-iron trunnion system enhances stability. Woodworkers love its advanced dust collection and low-vibration operation, making long projects more comfortable. With durable construction and smooth performance, this saw is an investment for anyone serious about woodworking. The AccuFence system is a major highlight, providing an easy glide mechanism that ensures straight, accurate cuts. The large tabletop offers plenty of space to handle wide boards, making it perfect for cabinetry and furniture making. Additionally, the Poly-V belt drive system reduces vibrations, which not only makes the saw quieter, but also improves the lifespan of the motor. The Powermatic saw is built for professionals who need consistency and precision in every cut. If you're a woodworker handling large sheets of plywood, hardwood, or composite materials, this saw is engineered to keep up with your toughest projects. Grizzly Industrial GO651 10-inch Cabinet Table Saw. For those seeking high-end performance at a reasonable price, the Grizzly Industrial GO651 10-inch Cabinet Table Saw is a fantastic option. This saw features a 3-horsepower motor, precision ground cast-iron table, and an easy glide fence system, making it a joy to use. Its quick-release blade guard and riving knife provide safety while ensuring smooth and accurate cuts. Whether you're working on cabinetry, furniture, or home projects, this Grizzly saw is designed for serious craftsmanship. The dust collection port helps maintain a cleaner workspace, while the heavy-duty trunnion system absorbs vibrations for a steady, smooth cutting experience. Many professionals prefer this saw because it combines affordability with top-tier performance. If you're looking for a professional-grade saw without breaking the bank, this is the perfect choice for you. Baileigh Industrial Professional Cabinet Table Saw. If you need a saw built for heavy-duty commercial use, the Baileigh Industrial Professional Cabinet Table Saw won't disappoint. It features a 7.5 horsepower motor, providing the raw power needed for thick and dense wood. The precision fence system ensures dead-on accuracy, while the large cutting capacity makes it ideal for big woodworking projects. The heavy-duty steel frame reduces vibrations, delivering a smooth and stable cutting experience. It's a beast in any professional workshop, offering unparalleled durability and performance. This saw is designed for serious woodworkers and industrial applications, handling large-scale production work with ease. If you're running a woodshop, furniture business, or construction firm, the Baileigh saw is the ultimate investment in power and longevity. So there you have our top picks for the best cabinet table saws in 2025. Whether you prioritize safety, power, precision, or budget friendliness, there's a perfect saw for you. Which one do you think is the best? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget, all the product links are in the description and pinned comment, so check them out for the latest deals and discounts. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our expert reviews. Stay tuned for more in-depth product breakdowns and comparisons. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.